Introducing the Admin Logger extension for Magento 2, the perfect tool to help you manage and store admin activity on your site. The Admin Logger extension's purpose is to log all admin users' actions. For example, changing user information, creating or updating an existing product, or monitoring other admin users' actions. The extension is used to create an admin action log for pages that each admin account has visited and can track admin actions they perform, including what values have been entered. A backend actions log and creating rollback checkpoints are a powerful tool for debugging and rolling back specific changes manually rather than restoring a site based on a backup, losing desired updates in the process. Create an admin actions log for admin users. To avoid the questions such as who did this or why did this change, find which admin action was performed by which admin user and ask them directly. By tracking admin actions, you can measure admin performance by seeing what changes they make to the site and comparing it to the effect their changes have. Protect your Magento 2 store from admin account hacks. Any unusual behavior from store admins can be visible to understand if the account was hacked. Purchase the Admin Logger extension for Magento 2 and other CM products at www.cminds.com. We code, you create.